Okay, nice bag. Ooh. And a hat. Okay, so we are here at Rolling Acres Farm, and we really have enjoyed today. We appreciate the invite from Mateyoke Realtors. They sent us the invite to come today, so we are thankful for that. There's a lot of things here that you can do if you come to this farm. We have hay rides, they have a corn maze, they have a zip line. Mateyoke had lunch for us, so that was great. Won a couple of raffles that you'll see, and it's just a beautiful day on a Saturday. A lot of things here to do. It's fun. Come out and enjoy it with your family. And like I said, we thank you to Mateyoke Realtors for inviting us. So if you'll have a chance, come out and check out Rolling Acres Farm. It's a really nice place to visit. They have a little shop with some stuff, some crafts and what have you. So, and it's in Richmond, Kentucky. So if you get a chance, come out and check it out. Thanks.